Can you guess what time it is? It's chicken processing day. So we're getting set up to process our chickens. It is a cold November day. It's about 48 degrees and rainy. But we're just gonna have our own little plucking party, or whatever you want to call it, here on the patio. My wife warming her hands over the sculder, which is all set up and ready to go.
It's fall. There's a leaf fill in it.
A leaf in it. Got the plucker set up with the screen to mesh tarp to catch the feathers. We've got our evisceration table set up.
It's raining. Excuse me.
And it's raining. We've got our ice chests, our aprons, and our knives and everything are here. And the chickens are right over there. So we're about to get started harvesting these guys and getting them to freezer camp. So yeah, these bee birds are 8 weeks old yesterday, and they are absolutely huge. Only 8 weeks, from a little yellow chick to these little monsters. Man, it's crazy. It'll be interesting when we weigh them to see how much some of these guys weigh. So I've got them set up right here. Got the killing cone and my blood bucket. So we are ready to get started on these guys. So far so good. Moving right along. Getting chickens plucked and cleaned. Saving the livers and the feet and the necks. And getting these guys in the ice. Alright, so it's the next day, and we've got all the chickens processed. These guys are in the cold ice. Have been staying refrigerated very well. Lots of ice in there. So now we're going to get these guys packaged up. We have, we're going to take the chickens out. I'm going to put them on these towels up here so they can dry out a bit. And then they will go into bags, and we'll use the sculder again, set at 185 degrees.
Excuse me?
To get these guys bagged up, and then we'll weigh them and label them. And there's birdie number 1.
It's cold business. Hands are already freezing. Need some.
Cold?
Yeah. Need some gloves.
So this really wasn't a how-to process chickens video, but partially just to show people that 2 people in an afternoon really can produce and process a lot of food.
You might need to go get some tongs.
I have frozen fingers before too long.
You're done with the shoulders.
What were you coming at me about?
Frowning at you?
Oh, don't say that. Alright, so we got 18 of our birds out of the cooler. We have how many more?
10.
10 more in that cooler. So we're going to get these guys bagged up next. Alright, so we've got them all laid out on the table. Now we're going to get them all bagged up. We just put them down after we put them in a bag.
Yeah. But give it to me. My arm. like this. And we'll hold the bag open. Okay, we can get it covered up the neck.
Keep your hands and feet inside the ride at all times.
Wow.
All right, so we have the chickens in the bag. I'm going to put a straw down inside the cavity of the chicken. We're going to close the bag up around the straw and get our zip tie started on its merry way around the backside of this bird. Okay. And we'll get another one ready as well. One more time here. Just need to have the straw in the bag. That's where the air is going to come out of when we get it in the hot water. So that's all part of the vacuum bag. What do you call it? Vacuum seal, vacuum bag. It's not really a vacuum seal, but shrink wrap. Kind of a shrink wrap on the birds. Okay. Then the next step is 5 seconds in the water. So right now it's at 186 degrees. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Pull it out, pull out the straw, pull the zip ties tight, rinse and repeat. Ta-da! All done. We got them done. They're all packaged up.
Yes.
High five.
High five.
Awesome.
I'll
What do you
package
think?
it up.
Turn out good?
Sure.
Turn out nice?
Yeah.
Check out these new labels. My wife put all these labels together. But all the birds have been weighed and packaged. Now they're ready for freezer camp. So that's the last step, getting all these guys in the freezer. But they turned out pretty good. Most of them averaging around 7 pounds.
Yep. So there's a couple 8-pounders, a couple 6-pounders. There's even one 4-pounder and one 5-pounder. So.
The runt of the litter.
Yeah, those are those 2 little guys running around.
Yeah. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check us out on YouTube and Instagram, and be sure and smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.